Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Tagara Mathias Ezeaku. Tagara Mathias Ezeaku. If you're not going to share button, I become when Jim Makia, my phone, what you can go there. I love you, the carpenter love Alma. I love you. I love you. Yo, one name Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Ijibuego, iyo pompo. You what I hear, Mego, Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Hospital, health center, you will free of charge. If you are, I get treated free of charge. If you are more, I get treated free of charge. If you are, I get go free of charge. Man, if you are why, Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Oh, Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Our health center, if you are free of charge, you see now, if you are treated free of charge, it's only more if you are free of charge, it's only more pressure if you are free of charge, man, if you are, Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Oh, Ijibuego, iyo pompo. Abigo, Omenala buzo eziokwu arụpụsị. Omenala buzo eziokwu arụpụsị. Omenala buzo eziokwu arụpụsị. Arụpụsị ebe na omenala buzo eziokwu. Abigo wenji maka ebe bịa, our bishop, our engineer, pastor, prophet, chief, Igbo Land, one of Africa, Doctor Mathias Ezeaku, anakupa keba. Mathias Ezeaku sina Yahweh Center will free of charge. Oh, ya gbarai. Echole mu be free of charge. Actually, make fibroid, they are free of charge. Isiagu be free of charge. Aya anago 1 kobo. 1 naira aya anago. Mana ajuju na ajuzi iwu. Account number na-eti ikpe no onye tiri eti picture n'iru akwụ tinye account number. Ke account number ka eji eme. Account number na onye ahụ adịghị a na-etriti ya. Etie picture onye a n'iru akwụkwọ, etinye account number. Ke ya account number ahụ na ebe ahụ eme. Ego ahụ na-akwụ ibe ego gịnị? Echem no free of charge. No ịbịa hapụ ebe ahụ. Mathias Ezeaku eforo aja utu ya wee triti ego free of charge. Otu ọchọ ka ndị ụka na ndị reverend father na-efu aja utu ha wee mee nke ha free of charge. Maka ndị ụka, ndị reverend father, ndị pastors nwecha hospital, aja utu ha ka ha na-eforo wee na-etriti ndị mmadụ free of charge. Ọ sị na ibe na western world na hospital free of charge. Ndị ọcha awụ doctor na-efurucha aja utu ha wee na-etriti ndị obodo free of charge. Na western world aja utu ndị ọcha ka ha na-eforocha. Ndị ọcha na-ahapụta ụta ha ipụtara aza ha efota aja utu ha wee na-etriti ụmụ ndị ọcha ibe ha free of charge. Ọ ya na-abịa agba ya every day. Na western world, ị gaa na Germany, ị gaa na Japan, ị gaa na UK, ị gaa na Canada, ị gaa na USA, na ụlọ ọgwụ ebe free of charge. Na ahụ ya akwa gị kpọrọ 911 ozugbo pịa abịa buru gị ozugbo pịa eje treat ego free of charge. Na ihe akwụ 1 kobo. Ọ ya na-agwa anyị. Ọ ya Mathias Ezeaku na-abịa agwa anyị. Mana people na white insurance na western world. And when they have free of charge na western world, even self in the western world na put bills than in Nigeria. Ndi bi Western world na akwu bills. Some of them not here. How many ne kube eziokwu? How many ne kube eziokwu? Abu na ibi obodo oyibo, abu na ida akwụkwọ health insurance, ida akwụ bills, ma ewa ni nwe moto, ida akwụkwọ parking space. Sim na asi, there na comment section here. Mathias Ezeaku na create hatred no bi ndị mmadụ na agwa ndị mmadụ na ndị ụka hospital ha rụ no kwesị iwu free of charge na ha kwesị ihe na ego no kwesị iwu free of charge na Mathias Ezeaku rent go apartment mepe health center ke na ayọ ndị mmadụ ga support ka donate ego ajem na aju tugu ki ga na eforo were treat ndị mmadụ free of charge na aju tugu. Amaka, good morning. Why you just account of sending my support? Or this a mess spec and do for you to her where all hospital free. Why if I do to Ndomen and Abos of Ezobu for a charge you to her where wrong get free? You never see another one couple. Why? Why you just donate Yego there? Can't you get again? Every time on your hard way donate Yego Kiganeme, na center. Okay, collapse power. Advice can then. I would every time on your hard Itinya Niru Apo. Itinya Niru Apo can donate Diego. My brother has sent a gay collapse or last 1 year. It was each another way. It gets they generate Diego from this health center. Come we came health center, Kogani. I want people to get up with insurance. I would it down. A one number with insurance. And that is the truth. You cannot run away from truth, Mathias. Mathias, you can't run away from truth. It's in Duka hospital free of charge. My name is Health Center. Why did they say free of charge? You got them donate now. Obre gives you around here. Why did they give your own personal money? My foot are due to where I run and I'm free of charge. Iya get in and make a donate here, what are the wrong? And my people see where card, health, I was in where insurance, health insurance na health center, yeah. People see better register. Hana Pubo monthly. What am I hold? Do you my hard on ya? If you Pubo monthly, your health insurance bills. From there, you generate ego, you get run the health center. Kegos we dig na every day na donate ego ni eje run one health center. How possible ka dị? Onye donate etai echi na mess go donate. Maka ndị na ya every day. Maka once that every day. Maka we inwe 1 million bed na health center. Na people get me occupy in one day. Na money 1 million na hard run on health center. Ebe ki yesi mute the money. We treat you free of charge. Ebe choka nduka. This is the mother no bro free of charge. Manage for the health insurance. Now put bills there. How can you run this health center with everyday donating of money? Oh, you donate it, you donate it. Oh, you donate it, you donate 1 nature. And one bag donate category. I have 1 day mad off. You put up donate and work out a program. In my idea. And what you are free at our last. Oh, this is not free of charge. Nada nego. Many people who see Bobble. Now, Rukwaru, now we go to the hospital. Ya relaxes. Now, person are free. But I'm not free. In one idea. Now, some of them is the go one side. Now, I was even now. That I busy there. And when they will go, hey, they go one side. Thereby, it is free of charge. Never at all. Go. Position ma. Oh, if I came out. I won't name my fair as okay, you can reason well. Okay, you will go almost something years, but you won't believe it. It won't party. Oh, church is not good in Igbo land. Man, a hotel, na club is good in Igbo land. Nah, Meka, church is not good. Igbo land. Man, a hotel and a club, the good Igbo land. Abi? Oh, kifu kuno de. Kifu drop you nowhere. Email a health center free of charge. Email many people gonna be about. And we're gonna go to treat you with the baby. He treat you free of charge. Monday was a good as high office of wage to treat here. In my idea. I have free other last. You have free other work. In our try, keep presenting Margaret more lazy. In our try, keep putting Margaret more lazy. Onya marenji na chipụta na live video mma anabatia mana onye marenji nabata anyị bịa ọpụ ike ọnụ mma ajụ ga ajụ jụọ ma ajụ ka nabata onye marenji ama nabata onye marenji na ma live video njụọ ga ajụ jụọ ma ajụ anyị bịa ike ọnụ maka ewu ma ajụ mma ajụ gị maka ewu no that the GO onye marenji I am accepting you. Come to my live video and drop questions. Very good.
Yeah, Odogu, good morning.
On your marriage, good morning. Thank you, man.
Okay, my brother.
Anomia.
Yes. I'm from Ketagram na your live video. So I say make I enter. More talk small. No insult. You are my brother, you understand? I like what you are doing.
We are not insulting anybody.
Yeah.
You know why disagree and agree.
Yes. Yes.
Disagree and agree. So
see, I am open to critics. What you are doing is good. You understand? What you are doing, if nobody is criticizing what you are doing, that means it will you understand?
Exactly.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So but very soon now, I may choke because I want them now. Just can talk about you. And what you may draw my one image of up today. I think on that day.
All right.
One, Mathias Ezeaku. Most of things on them, is not nice. I went on and made them. Went on and made now the home. I am not condemning Mathias Ezeaku. I am condemning some of his attitude. And one right to condemn my fellow human being. Now let me start from here because I was not expecting that you come into my live video. I'm video from here. Mathias Ezeaku why now Western World na hospital free of charge. Now 911 immediately. Not free of charge. Are you aware of that?
Of course. Go ahead.
Okay, can you tell me now? Hospital now Western World are free of charge.
Yes, it is free of charge from being run by the government. It's free of charge.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, those people know about Hanapu health insurance.
Yes. Oyibo people, they pay. You go even there alive, pay for your burial. I know of a friend who lives in...
Don't worry. I health insurance, Abi. Now,
of course.
I health insurance. When am I holding? My hard dog. You can have yearly or monthly. I have an idea.
Of course.
Now, Kazika, I go to show us how to use it.
All right. Now, are you there?
I'm there.
I'm like, that one. See, there is something that you people don't understand. Insurance does not actually mean paying for a hospital bill. Do you understand? Now listen.
Okay.
Let's assume now I have a hospital and I made it free for my members as a pastor. Okay. Then for me to maintain that hospital because of finance, when I see my members now, let's assume in a month, 1,000 naira for health insurance.
Okay.
1,000 naira. Now you know that in Nigeria now you cannot treat malaria with 1,000 naira.
It's about my question, Chera. I want to speak. Let me repeat again. Give me free. Explain on my word free.
Listen.
No.
Listen.
No, wait. My brother, come down. I talk about because I'm not doing Cyber can see where Georgiano It's
Free.
it's on my own.
Okay,
As
I
I'm
should
here,
explain the word
what is
free.
the word free?
Okay, it's free. Ihe na-anaghị akwụ ụgwọ.
Kobo, Abi. I don't kobo.
Of course.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Now, here's the hospital. No, Igbo. Then I health insurance. Also go na 1,000 naira monthly. Here goes where would say free.
Now listen. I am a mathematician.
Okay.
I studied mathematics in school.
Okay.
Now, if something is 99% free, you can round up that number to be 100% free. Now, I am just saying this now from your own perspective. Now, what you are trying to say, you understand?
Okay.
Now, when Mathias said that hospitals is free in abroad and it should be free here, doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot pay health insurance. That is how it is being maintained abroad. Now, do you know the reason, Iju, calm down. The reason why I am angry with pastors. Now, you are a human being, you have conscience, right?
Yeah.
Now, if a pastor in Nigeria can afford 3 private jets for himself and his family, and at the same time, that pastor is administering Jesus for his sick members. He is ministering Jesus, telling his calm down, relax now, relax. Calm down.
If from him now, joking. My pastor will go private jet. Yeah, that one his own business. I went fake pastors, and I am not supporting them. If go from him now, joking. Listen to me, my brother, Ganti. Yeah, can you? I tell you about fear. I talk here, the I health insurance. That hospital that was built by a government, can you generate the money? That hospital that was built by the government of Boroibo, which people generate the money? Answer this question.
The hospital that was built in Obodo, the people that generated the money.
Yes.
The money was generated from the people's commonwealth now, as in their natural resources, they are making use of it. You understand?
Okay. I am arranging. I am get my brother. I'm going to Mathias Ezeaku na go on way. The Kuma can the person arrange. My brother for moon now is 100%.
Okay.
And then we post my video. How did I find the full video? I have done the post so steady. That's my point. I have done my post so steady in that arrange. Do you understand? Now the problem who condemn the whole pastor. Generally, if you say that Jesus will scam, that is your own belief, and I cannot force you to believe where I believe. Man, I try to get that area today, but it can take a long time. I get your date about that one. I'm always ready for any question. The area I'm going to is something that's called free, my brother. My brother, nothing like free. I went for health insurance and let me not give you. It's in my mathematics. I want to get men at school, but let me do a little with my little knowledge. Now we health insurance and see where I have 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. Let's see where I add the money 100. No what? You have to go. And I have 1,000 for health insurance. I get to my point. Now, money 1,000. Money 100. No what? Every month I want some money. Book I had the Man, 100 health insurance. And we will go almost 98% go to haka for that month. You want idea? And then we have meaning. I have one next month. I put one 5 car. And 195 to haka. And then we are going to say me. I was like that month. Money Chanina. A journey garden. You will take that money. Wait, here. Now, how is it free of charge?
Now, listen. How it is free is if let's assume that na your church now, that church where you go now, your pastor, the money that he is using to build more churches, or the money that he is using to build schools and the hospitals that the members cannot afford, if they can use that money to channel it to building a free hospital and making it something that their members can afford. Let's assume now, do you prefer a pastor who is building hospital that when their member is sick, at that hospital, deposit 200,000 naira or 300,000 naira, which the member might not have that time. Now, listen, I'm coming. Calm down. I want to ask you my own. Okay. I want to ask you my own. Okay. I'm talking my own. Now, do you prefer a pastor who builds hospital, collected money from the members, build hospital for the members, and for him to maintain the hospital from being 90% free, or let's say the members that they should be paying monthly dues, monthly dues, to so that you that paid that month might not fall sick, another person might fall sick. They will use that money to treat that person that falls sick that month. Do you prefer it with someone who is building gigantic monumental edifice of a church or a hospital that is 0% free? Is that what you prefer?
Wait, let me come. I'm a major, but I'm asking the question. Now, how sure? How do you know? Not the poor members raise they go Ejiofor hospital. I'm coming. No, wait, I'm coming. How do you know? No, those poor members. Manage 10 naira, manage 20 naira, raise they go Ejiofor hospital. Now let me not tell you something.
You says that question, and you are still answering the question. Ijuwa, this is why I will enter your Otuanam Batarana your life. If we discuss well next time. Request. Okay, now if you ask me, you are ready to answer.
A wise man.
Okay.
A wise man who only said on my begodi, he will accommodate that person.
Of course.
Onya Bamba, Oya Kono, he will accommodate that person.
Yeah.
I would Oya Kono, it's a pop, you know, it's a buzz. All the form of the Neptune guy meeting. I jogging. My brother, I have a game at a meeting. Isn't it? You don't understand anything. Why? Because you don't want to misunderstand with anybody. That means that person is a fool. You know?
Okay.
So you allow me, even if I'm talking rubbish, you allow me. Even if you are talking rubbish, I will allow you.
Of course.
You understand?
You asked me a question.
Agreement.
And you do not allow me to answer the question.
Agreement and disagreement. Now you people were like shouting. Shouting. Nandi members. Now pastor Nameka go where they wrote hospital. Nandi members had a hospital. Man, like the G own we're almost 5 buildings. 3 decking. Now, can goes with the 5 building 3 decking. One away Kijo for building now. Release of building now. May automatically to be a hospital. Now renting apartments. Now after renting that I'm coming. After that, renting that apartment. Why are Jonah watching your Adiro? Or support? Well, I thought no was Iji. Egondi, Omenala Igbo, when I run here, although she were Chokanduka, in Kenuka Nanya, when I run hospital Haro. Because the man, some of church and a way of bigger or church member or something like this had a 20,000. Some church in Mathias everything we give away, no, say 50,000 every Sunday. And then now hospital ever which almost almost about 6 million. Doctors over. Nurse I have nurse over. Now good time. I mean to God like that. Why don't you bring one of your sisters that is a nurse? Come everybody are free of charge.
Okay. Should I answer?
Okay, yeah.
Now, ask me your question because you were saying and now ask me a particular question. I will answer. Ask me
the particular question. Imana, one topic. Can't you ever? Can't you say another one? Why your daddy G.O. 133 decking, 5 places? Why no? What of empty of?
All right.
Hospital directing apartment.
All right. Nice question. Nice question. Now, point of correction. Matthias is not my daddy G.O. You understand? I'm answering your question now.
Okay,
relax. Calm down now.
Okay.
Let me answer the question. You asked me a question.
Okay.
Point of correction. Matthias is not my daddy G.O.
Okay.
I am an independent body that is fighting evil. Sometimes I put Matthias' video in my post.
Okay.
Ishi. Now, I will answer that question, my brother. I will answer that question. Now, Mathias Ezeaku, to the best of my knowledge, is a businessman. Or has
my phone can be a phone now. I can't short to send the other letter. Give on about you. Okay, you know, ask short to me. Remember, your WhatsApp number. Send them your WhatsApp number. You got that. Then I take program. My phone now. It's not live. Tell them your WhatsApp number so that I can chat you. Can I see this program?
No one.
All right.
All right.